What's up, guys? It's me, Andrea, with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and I'm really excited because Anna from Cactus Caffeine in Vegas sent me some cuttings from her own collection, and I'm really stoked. I want to open it with you guys. She has an amazing YouTube channel and Instagram account, and I don't know, she does everything flowers for her, and everything's amazing. And she was like, "Hey, you want some stuff?" And I was like, "Yeah." So this just came today, and I wanted to open it with you guys. We're inside because it's loud and rainy and mosquitoes, and I just don't want to fool with all the distractions out there and start sweating on camera as I usually do. So we're gonna open it inside in the AC, and yeah, let's just do it. Oh, there's more tape. That's good. More tape is always good, and it builds the suspense. I thought I had it pretty much ready to just open, but I didn't. One. Oh, get in there. Haha. There we go. Oh, fancy. Look at this. Oh, a little bit of dirt made it in the box. And there's a card. Oh my lord. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the little, it's like glitter cactus. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. Oh, this is so sweet, Anna. I'll read it. It says, "Hi, Andrea. Here are some Opuntia cuttings from my yard. These are among the toughest of my plants. They do best when I neglect them a little. LOL. Hoping they grow well for you. Thank you for all the learnings that you share. You inspire me, from Anna at Cactus Caffeine." It's so sweet. And it has another glitter cactus inside, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much. This is an adorable card, and it's so sparkly. I love it, and I'm going to put it right here. There. Okay, here we go. Look at these packages. Opuntia Pina Colada. And there's a few in here that they say no ID, but it does describe the flowers. I'm gonna be careful because sometimes these guys are gonna have, if not spines, then GLOCHIDS, which are worse than spines. Spines you can see, they're like the enemy you can see. GLOCHIDS are just sneaky little honks. So GLOCHIDS are, if anyone doesn't know, it's not like glow kids, like glowing children. It's GLOCHIDS, and they're basically like modified spines, and they get in your little knuckles, and this one looks like it doesn't have many, and it's super cute already. This is Opuntia Pina Colada, and he's got his own little friend already growing out the top, and I love it. I'm not gonna unwrap it because I know it's gonna be a little dirty and I'm inside. Well, I want to see if it has roots. We're going to unwrap it. Da, 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 da. Like a little... kind of like a little strip tease. See, I know here comes some dirt. But the packaging is so fun. You didn't have to go through all that for me. I'm going to carefully hold it in between the areoles just in case there are GLOCHIDS. And I'm looking, and there's roots already. So this is just ready to pop in a pot. Ah! That's so cute. I love it. I love it. And, you know, we moved into this new house, and we have all these plans for, you know, putting in like a garden space, maybe some raised beds. And this will definitely wind up in there someday. And I'm super excited. Let me put it right here. I don't feel any GLOCHIDS, but you know, to be safe, I did buy tongs specifically for handling these guys, so let me go grab those. They're so cute. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just pull out all the packages. I have to vacuum anyways, so I'm not worried about getting some dirt on the table. Here's a Opuntia Nail Pastel. I like that name. I think I want to open that next. FICUS indica, very variable, so even though I know what this one is, I have no idea what it's going to look like, but it's big. I'm excited about that. That's the colada wrapper. I'm still going to work over the box. And this is the mystery. It says no ID. I think I just got a little GLOCHID. That was my fault. Hold on. So real quick, if you get one of these little busters. And I always wind up getting them like in the creases, like in my fingers where they bend. Actually, I got it out. A lot of people say you can use duct tape, which I think is like you wind up pushing it in further. It doesn't always help. Sometimes I'll take like sharp scissors and kind of like shave it off. You can use little tweezers. Be careful about like scraping it with your nail, because then you wind up getting it under your nail. Been there, done that. Do not recommend it. Well, I think I got lucky that time. All right, here's Opuntia No ID with orange flowers. Caution long spines. Thank you for writing that on there, because as you can see, I'm a little too daring. And I might have even just felt it through the package. So maybe we do that one last. We'll put that over here. Or maybe it was a GLOCHID. My lands. Yeah, I did get like a little GLOCHID in me, so here's like what I do. My eyes are not that great, especially in this light, but you can just like take scissors, right, and scrape in the direction and then try in the opposite direction and then feel and see if you got it out, and I didn't. This is turning into more than just an unboxing video. Just gotta shave it. Okay, it's gone. Let's see here. Let's do Opuntia AUREA. I'm gonna be a little more careful this time because, oh, they're cute little ones. Okay, look. Aw, they're thirsty. See that right there? They're really cute in smalls. There's one. And it's sprinkled, but you know what? These bounce back really quickly. And I actually have rooted Opuntia paddles in water before very successfully. And I wind up potting them up and they're doing great. But I don't want to get these, I need to keep, let me do this. I'm gonna put them on top of who they are before I get them all mixed up. So here's the PINA colada wrapper. That. Put her back in here. There's the AUREA right there. Oh, let's do the nail pastel next. There we go. Get my tongs out. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like a pale green and no long spines, but again, we're looking at possible chance of GLOCHIDS, so we're going to be very careful with that one. I just love the name. I think it probably means that maybe the flowers are pastel, but it's like a pretty like soft green. It's really pretty. Okay. I want to do the FICUS indica. I'm curious to see what that one looks like. FICUS indica tends to be the one that people use. Cool, got another one. For nopales, which is, you know, the edible, when you eat cactus, when you eat the prickly pear cactus pads, it's called nopales, and you can use it in, like, they usually chop it really thin, like slices, and then, you know, you can simmer it, use it in soups, use it in salsas, and it has like a crunchy texture. It's almost like freshly cooked green beans. It takes on a lot of different textures, and a lot of people mix it with eggs and their tacos. Sorry, I'm just bantering while I shave GLOCHIDs out of my thumbs, and probably should have put on some gloves, but I actually don't know where any are right now. Oh wait, maybe I do and maybe I should. I think I'll be right back. Haha, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put both on because there. Okay, here we go. This is Opuntia Ficus indica, and it's cute and big. Look at that. Oh, I really love this one. Oh, I really love it. This is really pretty, and it's going to do really well here, and there's no long spines on it, so it should be nice. I'm not going to test the aerials to see if there's many GLOCHIDS. I'll find that out on my own, obviously, eventually. Thank you, Anna. That's a beauty right there. And everything looks really healthy. You know, you always want to, you know, inspect your plants, even though if they're from someone amazing, and keep them away from your other plants until you're sure that they, you know, don't have anything on them. No scale, no mealybugs, nothing like that. And there's that just looks like pristine, actually. Who else do we have? Still have the spiky boy, but I'm gonna do this one with no ID first. Opuntia, no ID. And you know, what's really cool about Opuntia is there's so many different varieties, and there's a lot that do really well in like up in the northern states where they freeze, particularly Opuntia. Ooh, this one looks kind of scary. Opuntia humifusa. Beautiful yellow flowers. Look at this guy. I bet I can find an ID on this. I'm in an Opuntias group on Facebook, and they're really great. Hold on, let me get closer. Can you see? There's like, it has a lot of spikes, but it looks like pretty nice. I mean, I'm not going to test it out right now because I don't want to have to pull anything out of my skin on camera. Okay, we'll touch it. Yeah, this is really interesting. No, I think the spines just naturally are going to lay flat like that. I don't think that would have been, I mean, maybe they are a little more so after being shipped, but it's really cute. It's got a lot of character, and it's got roots on it already too. So I'm excited. Okay, hold on. I don't want to just reach in here. Okay, it's not that bad. They're not that bad. It's not like Santa Rita or anything. Those things are crazy. This is a chonker. These are cool. These spines are actually pretty. Here. It's this guy. They're long, and they're firm. They would definitely go straight through these dinky rubber gloves. These are just like cleaning gloves, but it's cute. I like it, and it's fat, and it's got roots. Okay, no ID, dude. No ID flowers. I think I can remember that one. Let's put it right there. A couple more. Look at them, already ready to go. That's fun. Whoosh. She wasn't kidding about long spines. Oh my gosh. One little more. I don't know. This one might have fallen off another one. Maybe she just tossed it in as an extra. But these are going to be so much fun. Like a lot of you guys know, we had that freeze here. Let me take these off for now. My hands are starting to sweat. We had the freeze, and just driving around like the first couple of months after the freeze, like March, April, just everything was like still dying, and it was horrible to see. And especially like all the agaves, a lot of cactus and stuff. I think there's one right there. But it's, you know, people are just, now we're starting to see what survived, what's making a comeback, what didn't make it. Some of it just, you didn't think it was gonna pull through, and it wound up doing well. There's a lot of agaves where they trimmed all the old dead leaves off, and so they're growing funny. They have like new growth coming in just up at the top. But you know, they'll recover, and people don't want to give up. But then there's also been like a mad rush on, you know, nurseries and stuff, which is good for them, but it's also like increased the prices a lot. But people, like my grandma, she's like, I don't want to sit there and wait and look at dead stuff. I want, you know, I want my garden to look good, because it makes me sad seeing everything else. So yeah, it's like I've been slowly acquiring more new plants since then, and I really look forward to watching these grow, watching them flower, maybe even sharing a couple with some friends who've shared stuff with me, and just Thank you again, Anna. I'm gonna link to her YouTube channel. She's like in a really arid climate, so for you guys there, you're gonna really love learning from her, because I live in the very exact opposite climate of the Bayou City, Houston, Texas. humid, and being able to make things thrive in like hot, arid climates is, you know, equally challenging and has its own challenges and stuff as it does, you know, here, but it can be done, and it's gonna actually be even easier for you if you live in an arid climate. So just check out her channel, see what all is possible. All right, we're out here. I was just gonna show you guys how I potted them up. These guys had roots already, so I just put them in some soil, and I'm gonna give them a little drink. I don't want to give them too much, but just enough for now. This is a funny little pot. It's like an old microwavable, like terracotta clay. I don't know exactly what it is. Some kind of dish for cooking, and I found it at a thrift shop, and I took it and I drilled it, and it's super cute. Perfect for these guys right now. And then we have the FICUS indica. Even though it doesn't have roots yet, I just wanted to go ahead and prop it up. Pot it up and prop it up, because I had it laying flat down here and it was just starting to like curve, as you can see. So I wanted to retain its shape, and yeah, so that's the solution on that. No water yet, maybe another week or so. I'll wait for it to get thirsty, hopefully tease out some roots that'll go looking for some water. And of course it's been raining here, and rain blows in, so it's going to get a little bit of rain. And then this one, the Opuntia PASTEL, I am going to try the just lay it down and wait method of getting this going. What should happen is we should start seeing some new growth around the edges, new petals coming in, and the underside will actually put down roots. So I don't want to touch it. I've learned my lesson. But yeah, the roots will come in underneath, and this whole pad right here will be the base of a new plant, and then it will start to put out new petals. So this has been a fun project, and I do look forward to seeing all the different beautiful flowers come in someday, and just getting these guys established and happy. And then one day putting them in the ground, hopefully. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you would please like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, I would really appreciate it. And definitely, if you haven't checked out my book, The Succulent Manual, I have been told it's very helpful. So just Google The Succulent Manual and you'll see all the different places you can find it. Thanks guys.